In the husk fiber collection area, separated coir material is compressed into bales, creating a valuable byproduct for the coir fiber industry and supporting a zero-waste processing approach.
The process begins in the primary valve, where high pressure breaks down initial particles. Next, the secondary valve further refines the emulsion, optimizing stability. This two-stage method, the pH is 5.2, we need to adjust it down, adding citric acid to optimize stability and safety. The probe shows it's now at 4.8. Perfect.
We're adding vitamin D to create an enhanced profile. Next, we'll add calcium for bone health benefits. This fortification process develops a value-added product.
Aroma is fresh, very coconutty. Flavor is creamy with a mild aftertaste.
Texture is smooth, excellent mouthfeel.
Overall, very consistent and acceptable.
First, the gums, guar, xanthan, and carrageenan for structure and viscosity. Whisk thoroughly to hydrate. This prevents separation. Now, the emulsifiers. They coat fat droplets, keeping the mix stable during storage.
Starting pH test on batch 092.
I'll run the Brix analysis.
pH is stable at 6.25.
Brix reading is 14.2%.
Results are in spec, documented. This one has a crack, setting it aside.
This is immature. It goes to the reject pile.
Looks good, this one can proceed.
Agreed. Keep the line moving.
Random sampling complete, let's check fill volumes.
Opening this one now.
Volume is at 99.8%, seal is secure.
Product quality is good, no contamination.
Chart shows all points in control.
Agreed. Canned coconut milk is a versatile ingredient for creamy curries. I'm adding the whole can to build a rich, flavorful base. Stir it in and watch the sauce transform. It's so versatile.
Here, first and second press milks are mixed in large stainless steel tanks. Agitators create a vortex, blending the milks into a uniform, standardized product. Sealed cans are transported via conveyor to large pressure vessels for in-container sterilization. Inside the vessels, this traditional method ensures product safety and shelf life.
Final product testing for stabilizer distribution. The viscosity is 45.2 centipoise, optimal. ppH is 6.85, well within range. Nutritional content verified, quality assurance complete.
This is a plate heat exchanger designed for efficient heat transfer. Coconut milk flows through channels between heated plates. It is rapidly heated, then quickly cooled before exiting. This ensures efficient, hygienic processing.
This is our climate-controlled storage for coconut milk. It's kept at optimal temperature and humidity. These pallets are ready for global distribution. Our system tracks every unit in real time. Quality assured.
In the rapid cooling section, sterilized coconut milk is immediately cooled to room temperature. This prevents overcooking and preserves the quality of the product from 140 to 35 degrees. The process is now complete. Tree to table, a whole brown coconut begins its journey. Through efficient processing, it's transformed into versatile coconut milk. In pre-homogenized milk, fat globules coalesce and rise to the top, forming a distinct cream layer. In contrast, post-homogenized milk remains a stable, uniform emulsion with no separation. In microfiltration, coconut milk flows through membrane filters. Microscopic particles are removed, accumulating on the membrane, retained in the purified milk. This process enhances quality for food production. The second press coconut milk has a lighter consistency. It has a lower fat content compared to the first press. This milk is ideal for blending with cream to meet product specifications. Reviewing the mechanical stress tests, all results are within spec. Chemical analysis and durability tests are also clear. Final approval, product release is authorized for distribution. Which one has the best reviews?
This one is good for curries.
Thanks. I'll try this organic one.
Good choice.
First press grinding begins, breaking down the coconut meat. Hot water is added, starting to form a slurry. The mixture is churned to optimize extraction. Temperature control ensures maximum efficiency. A smooth slurry is ready for pressing. Hi, ready for a coconut latte? It's our popular dairy-free choice. Pouring the froth coconut milk now, it blends beautifully. And there you go, a perfect plant-based latte.
Coconut milk delivery. Perfect timing. We need it.
This is the good stuff. Perfect consistency for the sauce.
Let's begin quality testing on this first press milk. The fat content is 24.5% within spec. Density is 93 grams per milliliter. All specifications confirmed.
See that one? Discolored under the UV.
Got it.
Removing now. Looks clear now. Good quality.
Loading coconut milk cases onto delivery trucks, bound for supermarkets, distribution centers, and food service customers. This is the global supply chain in motion, delivering quality products worldwide, every day.
These samples are under accelerated aging at 40 degrees. We can predict shelf stability and quality retention. Data shows excellent long-term performance.